Welcome to Wetspace Tutorials. I am Allie Ray, the CEO of Wetspace, and today I'm going to be explaining how to create a wallet and easily connect it to our platform. Whether you're a creator or a fan, the process is the same. In this tutorial, we will use MetaMask as an example, but you can use any available options we support, including Coinbase and Wallet Connect for any other wallet. So let's get started. First, we will go to metamask.io, where you're going to want to look for and click on the download section. Then, click on Install MetaMask for Edge. You should be redirected to the add-ons or extension section of your browser. Now, in this example, I am using Microsoft Edge, but you can do it with any other browser, such as Chrome. You can also do this on your cell phone, available for iOS and Android. After we get the extension, we will see a pop-up asking if we want to add MetaMask to Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and click on Add Extension, and your download should start. Once the download is finished, you will be redirected to the welcome screen with the Get Started button. Go ahead and click on that button, followed by Create a Wallet, in the event that you don't already have one. The next screen you come to is the Terms and Agreements. Go ahead and read through these terms and accept when you're ready. MetaMask allows you to create a password for the device you're using. Remember that the password will only work for that device though. The next thing that happens is you will receive your recovery phrase, which is and will remain the master key of your wallet. So please pay very close attention to the following items. 1. If you lose this secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. 2. If you expose or share your secret phrase with anyone, your funds can get stolen. 3. It's your full responsibility to keep your secret phrase secure. With that in mind, we want to click on the lock icon to have access to the recovery phrase. Then you will receive your secret phrase, and you should make a secure backup of this. Save it somewhere you will not lose it. Finally, you will be prompted to verify the code you just received. Congratulations, you have just created a new crypto wallet where you can receive and send cryptocurrencies. Now, let's connect this wallet with Wetspace. Head to wetspace.com and sign in. If you have not signed up yet, you could do this in less than a minute right now. Once you're signed in, click on your username on the top right section of the platform. Settings, Wallets, Connect Wallet. There you should see 3 options, Coinbase and MetaMask, and then Wallet Connect for any other wallet you have. Since we just set up a wallet with MetaMask, you will want to click on MetaMask. Now you will see the MetaMask extension come up as well as your available wallets. In this case, I'm using my Ethereum wallet, but you can use whichever you prefer. Simply click on Next, followed by Connect. Finally, your signature will be requested, and you can confirm that by clicking the Sign button. Congratulations, your wallet has been successfully connected to Wetspace and it's ready to make a splash. Now, whether you're here to play, or here to get paid, or perhaps even a little bit of both, your wallet is connected to the wettest platform for creators and fans. Wetspace, slippery when wet.